Today I'll show you how to add a paper fold texture to your video in CapCut PC. This effect gives your footage a cool, folded paper look, perfect for stylish edits or creative transitions. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Then, head over to the effects panel and search for Paper Folds 2. Once you find it, drag and drop the effect above your video layer. Now, let's adjust the settings. Use the speed slider to control how fast the folds appear. If you want a slow, dramatic effect, lower the speed. For a quick animation, increase it. Next, tweak the texture slider to adjust the opacity of the paper texture. A higher value makes the folds more prominent, while a lower value creates a subtle effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a paper fold texture to your video in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips.